Uba Titus W. Khan, Chief Executive Member Kakhasil Satramos District Council KHDC, Haringkat ki Executive Member Bakanthop Uba Martel and Mukim, Congress Mary Kharpuri, Ba Mitchell Wankar, Uba Tabor Patau, Lembot Ba Rengsai Kharbuki, Haka Absantrik Yoyong Arjar Pulai, Klayo Ekalat Banlejngo Yakaying Siem, Ujayanta, Yakabala Pankala, Shakachakabu, Sakan Mau, Lani ka State Museum Kanongba Agartala, Jongkajala Tripura. Kani ki ying siem kedai ke belatei jong ka hima Tripura latei do Maharaj Radha Kishore mani kiaha hakisnam syajar praspa kandai pukandai hadu syajar kandai spa iwei bat ya katei ka kerteng la ai do Rabindranath Tagore. Kani ki ying siem ka longru ka ying dorbar thau ain ka jela Tripura hadu usnam arjar karwei bat menta ka yeng kum ka caka sabu jingkan mau ni ka museum hanong ba Agartala. Kani ke jingli jingo ki nongilam ka KHDC ya kati ke ying siem balapan kelas ka museum kadai halok ka jingle ya kendo ya merjimut markeliang bat ka Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council TTAADC kabalong haka rhetoric mentau penai haku mulwong. Kani ke ying siem kadai ke belathiat dak sarkar Tripura nak long ying siem mani kia hakisnam sya kanai spa nyupua nyupulai. Lapdiang buram ya kinong ilam ka KHDC Haka Maharaj Bir Bikram Kishore Manikia Bhadur Airport Agartala da kinong ilam ka TTAADC Hashwa ka jinglet sakani ka ying siem. Uba Titus W. Khan CEM ulong baka jingwan ka KHDC sa Tripura ka long banyamir jumut markeliang bat ka TTAADC halor ka rukom bat kumno banyada ya ka jinglong kerpang kirulom hakini ki arjala nakithan stay lamingi kari India.
Sports in India.
He is our youngest man. Youngest Ian.
And the main purpose of our visit to this Tripura Council, we would like to have interaction regarding the activities and the function of the Tripura Council, how they are perform about protecting the rights of the tribal. So this is our visit.